All right, Bitcoin on spot exchanges, as you can see, is right now really low level. Also, stablecoins on spot exchanges not so high. On the derivatives also really low. So let's take a look at this micro chart here, micro period. Okay, and what we can see is inflow of Bitcoin on spot exchanges right here, few hours ago, and also outflow of Bitcoin on derivatives right here. Also, inflow and outflow of stablecoins on spot exchanges. So basically what this can tell us. Basically, somebody wants to sell his Bitcoin right here, and somebody don't want to open another position on derivatives. Somebody don't afraid of big moves right now, maybe. Also right here, somebody wants to buy Bitcoin. Somebody don't want to buy anything. All right. Okay, let's take a look at this and long-term hodlers SOPR. So our indicator right here at the bottom, and long-term hodlers at the bottom also. Many times it help us to find the bottom, not in a long term but in a short term. Many times it help us to find a bottom. Stablecoin ratio, so Bitcoin reserve divided by stablecoin reserve on exchanges, and RSI of the stablecoin ratio is going higher right now. So basically, it is a good situation when it's going higher. Oh, we of course have to watch it carefully and watch this carefully. And last but not least, Bitcoin versus stablecoin reserve, RSI 40 days. So I told about this many times, that we are in this lower area of RSI, of stablecoin ratio, and many times when we were in that lower area, look where the price was. So right now we are also at this area at the bottom. So we have to ask ourselves if the Bitcoin price right now will start climbing and go higher from that moment, because many times it was the preludium to a pumping of the price. Okay, many times. So this is of course Maximus Tools. Nothing here is a financial advice. Remember this. And what else we can find on the internet, especially Twitter? Many people are suggesting that it is maybe a really good time to buy Bitcoin right at this moment and this moment. Also, Plan B, Crypto Burp. Plan B also suggesting that. Delan Leclerc is showing us this chart that Bitcoin is going higher and higher every few years. It's higher and higher. Like as you can see, it was in previous cycles. So in general, probably nothing would stop Bitcoin. But how Bitcoin behave next days? This is what is interesting to us. How Bitcoin behave during next days? Okay, and this is it. Yeah. So many people suggesting that it's a really good time, it's really good opportunity to buy Bitcoin right now at these levels. And in general, yes, it is indeed. Also, Bitcoin archive is telling what they're writing, that Bitcoin is durable, portable, fungible, divisible, scarce, verifiable, free from censorship, and and it has its history. It has its history like a gold. So are we going up or are we going down? People have different ideas right now about this. Some people says, like for example Mike Novogratz, that this is the bottom, 40k is the bottom. And if we look at this combined order book, we can also see these big orders right here at 40k level. Okay, you can see it. But other people, like this guy, they are warning that Bitcoin may fall to even 30k next month. And this is Alex Krieger. Alex Krieger. Who's that guy, Alex Krieger? Founder of Ake Capital, a New York-based management firm. Okay, let's take a glance of look at him. What's his connections? Okay, so basically it's probably nobody from the mainstream media, because what I was looking for is if that Krieger is a guy who owns some mainstream media, and it's probably not. He owns owns a management firm. So as you can see, some people say 30k, some people say 40k. You have to know your own things. Also, if you look at divided Bitcoin market cap by stablecoin market cap, you will see that we are at the lower Bollinger, close to the lower Bollinger band right here. But previously, when we are here at the lower Bollinger band also, the price went down massively next month. Also, right here, when we were at the lower Bollinger band, the price went down massively soon. So this is the question for you: if we are going lower, and if we analyze also the wallets with total plus 10k bitcoins, so these wallets blue, it's RSI of these wallets, and wallets with plus 1000 bitcoin, this is that pink RSI. So we can notice something interesting, that these guys, these big guys and smaller guys plus 1000 started to sell in, this plus 10,000 started to sell in here, plus 1000 started to sell in here. So they sell off at the bottom, you can at the top, as you can see, they were sell off, and right now they are accumulating, slowly accumulating. Okay, so this is a good sign. But look at 2017, and again, this plus 10,000 and plus 1,000 started to sell in here at the 4,000 something dollars. The price went down, okay, and the price went up at the top here. So they sell everything off here and here, okay, and here. Look at here, okay, and then they started accumulating again, accumulating, and so this situation is similar to this that we can see right now. But after some days, this plus 1000 started accumulating massively here at this moment. And few weeks later, the Bitcoin price fell massively down. Also, this plus 10,000 sell off, they accumulate, and here the price went massively down. So the question is, if we are going to see that pattern, the same pattern again, of course we have to analyze and observe these indicators directly, just every single day. Watch it. Okay, people feel fear. Okay, and another thing, there's a open letter to Tesla and Elon Musk from the Bitcoin magazine. So basically what they are saying, what they are writing to Tesla is about that Tesla stopped accepting Bitcoin because of the environmental impact. But what they are saying right here, that basically Bitcoin is not such hurtful for environment like other currencies, for example fiat currencies. So they are writing that it will be great, it will be cool if so I will just read it to you. Much has been written on the issues of this currency, Bitcoin, such as assisting organized crime, untraceability, and the environmental impact of its issue. Nonetheless, while this currency is overwhelmingly used for crime, it's about fiat, virtually untraceable, it's about fiat, yes, and kills thousands of trees every year, we still think it would be excessive to ban fiat currency completely. However, we are confused why a double standard appears to exist for Bitcoin. So basically what they are writing here is they are telling that Bitcoin is much more effective and efficient than fiat currencies. So if Elon Musk if Tesla will respond, it may be change of the direction of the price again of Bitcoin. But they have to respond, they have to say something, they have to do something about this. We will see. Another interesting info is about Mark Zuckerberg, about his wealth, more than $96 billion. It's he's one of the richest people in the world right now. Maybe he will be the richest. Maybe he will be the richest soon. We will see. Okay, and so for now it's everything, guys. Thank you. If there will be more people on this channel, we will do our tools, our Maximus Tools for on-chain data and etc. in English version for you. So it's already prepared. We're still waiting for about 1,000 people on this channel, so we will run it in English. Right now it's only in Polish. Okay, and for now it's everything. Thank you guys, and see ya.